Well, welcome to the world of Excel. This first segment, I'm going to give you a brief introduction on the interface of first what is Excel and then what the actual workbook or page represents. The good thing is you just finished Microsoft Word, and now that you finished Word, the interface is really close with a lot of the different tools and skills. What's the point of Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet, and what it's really beneficial or useful for is it makes sense out of data. And here in front of you on the screen, which is both on the website you've been presented with and is up on the multimedia server, are two different spreadsheets. And the benefits of these spreadsheets is that it takes data, and so here's data, okay, these numbers here, and it makes sense out of the data. Now here we're keeping it very simple, and we're giving you the skills on how to build these spreadsheets. But you can make them as complex and as big as you want. You're going to find most corporations really rely on spreadsheets in order to make sense out of these numbers. And here it's simple. It just does a basic addition. So it looks at different earnings of a company. It does addition. We're going to do this one first in order so that you know how to set up a basic format a basic spreadsheet within Excel. One of the ones you'll be doing very soon also is this one. And same thing. Here you're able to get averages, and each time you change a number it's going to change everything else, because hidden in these cells you can put little formulas, and you can do sums, you can do multiplications, you can do averages, you name it. Whatever you can think up, you can put apply to the data and come up with certain sums, certain averages, anything else, certain products that you want. And then the other thing that's really good about Excel or spreadsheets is that in helping you make sense out of the data, here you can actually within seconds have a visual of that data. So this data here from the years 2002, 1999, 2002, here's representation of sales based on that numbers. And I change one number inside of any one of these cells, and it's directly going to change the look of this graph. And so it can really help people in business not only see the past, but then project into the future where they want to take their companies in regards to sales, anything else they're doing. So, easiest way to go ahead and get to know Excel is to hop right on in. And certain things you should know is, same as in Microsoft Word, two main tabs we're going to be using here is, if you see this, here's a Home tab, and you'll see all the different tools here. A lot of them are the same ones that you saw in Word, but there'll be some new ones that I'll introduce to you. And then Layout tab, and how you want to actually set up margins, orientation, size, things like that. Right now I'm going to go ahead and go with the Home tab. And the other thing you should know is, you see up here where it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, these going up and down, those are your columns going from left to right. Each one of these is a row. So this income statement first quarter, that's a row. This green line right here, that's a row. Row number 7 is net revenue. Row number 3 is income statement data. So every single one of these going in this direction is a row. And then here, B column is the first quarter. C column is the second quarter. So you have rows going left to right, you have columns going up and down, and as of you knowing that, I recommend we go ahead and start to build our first spreadsheet. And what we're going to recreate that you have in your hands right now is this income statement data, this very simple spreadsheet right there. And that's what we're going to rebuild. So if you can have it open so you're looking at it, or the printout one in your hands, I'll show you quickly how to, very quickly, how to go ahead and rebuild that.